welcome back to today's video. So guys, today I am off duty, and one of the things that I'm going to be doing today is to change the oil in this car. This car is a year old, and it is time to change the oil. Every year we change oil. We'll buy new filter and then you change the oil. I have an appointment by 4 o'clock and I am on my way right now to the mechanic to change the oil change. The service costs 40 euros, and this is supposed to take like 30 minutes, but we have to pay 40 euros. And then I bought filter from them, which is 18 euros, so I am going to be paying at the end 58 euros. But I bought my own oil. We have 5 liters of oil that we bought last month that we used to top up, and we have not even used up to 100 ml from there. So I am taking my own oil so that I will use it, so that the cost will reduce. But normally the service, if you bring your own filter and you bring your own oil, what you need to pay is just 40 euro. And one of the things I also want to complain about is that this car, anytime I put a reverse, that hand reverse, if you know a lot about cars, please let me know if it is something, because I think even with this one, I'm going to go to like 3 or 4 different mechanics to go and find out the price. This is not the time that I'm just going to, because he has been repairing the car. Okay, this car have never been to any mechanic. We have not repaired anything with on this car since 1 year that we bought it. But I'm going to check, because I try to put the reverse. If I want to reverse back and then I put the hand to reverse to R. Yes, to R, is kind of takes time before it can key in, so it's very, very difficult. It's not free the way it should be. So I'm going to also ask him. And the tire on this car is also all weather. That means you can use the tire within summer and winter, and winter is fast approaching, and summer, we are saying goodbye to summer, whether you like it or not. So I want to also ask him if this tire can take me for another 1 year at least. And then I will ask him to check the front brake also to see if everything is still working. You know, once it's winter now, maybe things will become expensive. So this is the reason why now that I'm here, I will check out everything and see how much it will cost. This is not a new thing. That's a is it a woman that will go and change? If I don't go, who will go? Anyway guys, the weather is nice and your girl is popping. This summer, even though the summer is not summering the way it's supposed to summer, we will happy to summer, we will happy to pop. Okay, let's go there. I bought my own oil. This is 358. I hope that they will not be angry. If I had their number, I would have called them. Let's go. So guys, I'm here and I'm 6 minutes late. I am through with the oil change and with the mechanic, and I paid 58 euros to change the oil, but I brought my own oil. I brought 4 liters oil and they did not finish it. How much? And it took me 30 minutes. It took them 30 minutes to actually do this. Very, very simple. All you need is an appointment. So guys, I spoke to Tuxton about the reverse, and he said everything is going to cost about 400 euros. And then he told me that the tires are still good. I can still use it for a year. And then he told me the front brake is also worn out, that I can only drive another 5,000 kilometers. He said that is going to cost also 300 euros. So I am looking at 700 euros to spend on this car in the next few, like 1 month. I think we are going to do it next month before the winter comes. To have a car in Germany is not a joke. It's not a joke. Guys, how much is 700 euros in your place in Nigeria? It's over a million naira, 1 point something million. So he said everything that is going to work with his workmanship, with the things that he's going to buy to change, is 700 euros. I am not going to accept that just like that anyway. So I'm also going to go to other mechanics to find out. But what I know is that this year, again, we are going to put in 700 euros inside this car. So guys, that is it.